Alright, so this video we're going to repair a plug on a DC charger. This is for a screwdriver that I have. I had to cut the end off. I needed it for something else. And so I've got a plug to replace it with, so we're going to do some soldering here. First thing we need to look at, this charger came with the screwdriver, so I know it's right. On here, this is your diagram to tell you is the outside or inside of the plug is supposed to be positive or negative. At the positive pointing to the inside, so that's going to be positive. That's what most of them are. Our plug has red and black here, so don't know though which side that's going. I would guess it would be going to the positive, but we're just going to check it to make sure. So we set our voltmeter on continuity. And got it on the red wire. And inside we got tone, which means that our red wire is going to the inside of this, which is what we want. And then we just need to identify on our plug which wire is positive. On our wire here, one of them has a white dash on it, the other one does not. That one I believe is going to be positive, but we will check it. So we're going to plug this in, set our meter to volts, but we need to go to DC volts. Okay. And so we got no negative symbol, so that's good. So we got our dotted line is positive. And we're going to take our wire with the white line on it and go ahead and just twist it up here so it hold. And go ahead and lock it in our helping hand here. And we're going to make our solder joint. Alright, positive on the inside, negative on the outside, and reading about almost 7.5 volts DC, so that's what we want. So now we are done with the meter. We just gotta button this up here. So we'll pull our heat shrink over our connection. Alright, sure, no exposed wires. Alright, I'm going to use a heat gun on this one since it's larger. plug it back in, plug our drill in. Got red light indicating charging. And should be good to go here. So let it charge up for a couple hours and should be ready to go put some screws in. Alright, and that's going to do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.